The order of chaos. Fixing incorrect adjective order. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a common error that many English language learners encounter. Incorrect order of adjectives. Understanding and mastering this rule can really help your English sound more natural and fluent, so let's dive right in. Firstly, let's do a quick recap. Adjectives are words that describe or modify another person or thing in the sentence. For example, in the sentence, I have a red apple. Red is an adjective because it describes the apple. But what happens when we have more than one adjective? That's when the order of adjectives becomes crucial. English speakers usually follow a specific order when using multiple adjectives. While it might not be hard and fast, diverging from this pattern can make a sentence sound strange or confusing. Here's the standard order. 1. Quantity or number, e.g., 2, 5, many, several. 2. Opinion or quality, e.g., beautiful, ugly, easy. 3. Size, e.g., big, small, tall. 4. Shape, e.g., round, square, flat. 5. Age, e.g., old, young, ancient. 6. Color, e.g., red, black, green. 7. Origin, e.g., Italian, American, Eastern. 8. Material, e.g., wooden, metal, cotton. 9. Purpose, e.g., cooking, as in a cooking pot, swimming, as in a swimming cap. So, if we were to describe a shirt, the correct order would be: I bought a new, stylish, large, round, old-fashioned, blue, Italian, cotton, casual shirt. That's a lot of adjectives, but they're in the correct order. A common mistake is to mix up this order. Let's consider an incorrect sentence. I have a red, big dog. In this case, the size adjective, big, should come before the color adjective, red. So, the correct sentence is, I have a big, red dog. As we can see, even though both sentences are grammatically correct, using the correct adjective order makes your English sound more natural and comprehensible. That wraps up our discussion on the order of adjectives. I hope this video has helped clarify some of the common errors we often make. Remember, mastering the correct adjective order is a significant step in making your English sound more fluent and natural. Keep practicing, and I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. See you in our next video. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing and stay positive. Happy learning!